welcome to Cooking with the Moodies. My husband, he's gonna join us a little bit later, but right now I'm gonna explain to you about what we're gonna be cooking. So we're cooking bacon. We're gonna cook some eggs, some store-bought waffles because we forgot the pancakes on the vacation we're on right now. We see toast, and we have some syrup. Okay, and we're gonna drink orange juice and milk for breakfast. The first thing I do is turn on the water. It's motion censored, as you can tell. That's cool, right? Just move it in. Oh, okay. Anyway, this is already clean, so then I just rinse it out. So this is what I'm gonna be using to cook. Wait. Just rinse it up. Okay, and then I take both of these pots and take them over to you see the stove top? Pretty cool, pretty cool. Daniel over there. You gotta have a class. Are you done with school? Daniel, are you done with school?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, baby Wayne. Oh, he need that change. Hey, baby Wayne. You got the green top? He got the marker top.
I'm ready to eat.
Baby Wayne got the marker top.
I'm ready.
Thank you, baby Wayne.
To
He gave me the marker top. Ain't that nice of him? You ready to eat?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, mommy gonna cook and we gonna eat. Mommy and daddy. Daddy. Hey, daddy. You gonna cook today?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. What you gonna make? The bacon or the eggs?
Hey, look.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna start cooking, so you need to think about what you're gonna cook.
Hey,
Look at AJ.
Look,
He's
make
ready to cook
that
too.
cereal. Look, make that cereal.
My AJ in the kitchen.
Look. Look.
Oh, okay. 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 Go ahead. Yeah, waffles. Okay.
Make that cereal.
I'm gonna make the waffles. Go ahead.
Hey, I want waffle and cereal together.
Okay. Well, let me make the breakfast and then we can have it together.
You can speak to it. Tell me what's wrong.
That way in the kitchen.
AJ, come here. What you want? What you want? Orange juice? Say, juice? Come on, AJ. Juice?
The.
Juice? Juice. Say juice.
The.
Juice?
The.
Yeah, you want some juice? Okay, good job. You tried. You trying to pour the juice. Okay. Get you some juice. Good job, AJ. Okay. Be careful. Yeah. Put this back up here. I'm gonna try to cook. That was good idea. Okay. So I'm gonna make eggs. We have the eggs right here. We don't have any butter. Like I said, we're on vacation. We forgot to get butter. So I'm gonna make the bacon first, and then we're gonna use the bacon grease for kind of like the butter. So let's see how it turns out.
You failed.
AJ, no.
What do you want?
Some milk or orange juice.
Oh, no.
Yeah, just get the milk. Here, can you go over there? Oh, this bacon. Let's put this bacon down. Normally at home I have a skillet. So this is the bacon. It looks good. So this is a little different. So it was unlocked, so I turned to unlock. And then I believe this is the middle one, because you know, them two, and then that one and that one. That's how I believe it's going. This is the middle one. So we gotta use this middle one. So I'm gonna turn it on, press it, and then turn it on 6. And we gonna see what happens. I don't know why so many knobs and things around here. It's pretty interesting. So let's see. This one. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. You see that? It's turned red. That's pretty cool. It's getting hot real quick. So that should start cooking soon. I need some cooking utensils. Oh, help me find the cooking utensils. Oh, I guess we found them that quick. Okay. We gotta rinse this off. So we found some cooking utensils. And now we're gonna rinse them off. Okay, while we're waiting on that, let's make the coffee. 24 creamers. You use this cup?
You can put it on 10. Okay,
I can't use hazelnut.
No, what hazelnut?
French vanilla. I use
No, it
French
wasn't
vanilla.
vanilla. It was medium roast, that's what it was. And then I used some coffee creamer.
Medium roast.
One of these. This is hazelnut. You won't want to use it. But there's some more.
Yeah, I won't use that.
This is all hazelnut.
Look at my mom's hair, ain't it pretty? Mom, show your hair. Show your hair. Look how pretty it is. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Long and pretty. And it's all natural. All natural. Okay, there's the coffee.
Sugar. You got sugar?
Starting up, you see. If you look under there, you see the red. Look at that. Can you see it? There you go. Can you see it? Can you see it? Starting to cook. My Daniel's so handsome. Do anything. We need a plate for when the bacon comes off. Daniel and Anthony are gonna go feed the cat. They're going to feed the cat.
And Dwayne's helping too.
Okay.
I guess we'll just use one of these bowls.
Wow.
You know where else bowls are at?
Nope.
Daniel.
I see you. Putting on AJ's shoes. Long hair, girl.
Gonna load it up. Mmm. Good job, man. Wait, AJ. That's all. Just pedal like this. Pedal like this. Just real soft. Real soft. Yeah.
There you go, AJ.
Yes,
Come
Here,
on,
pet
Daniel.
him real soft. Pet him real soft.
Come on, Daniel.
Pet him real soft.
AJ can do it. I know Daniel can do it.
Come
I
on.
know that.
Yeah.
Real soft.
There you go, Daniel.
Touching me soft.
Oh, look at Daniel. That's nice.
Say hey, sassafras. Listen. Yeah. All right. That's
The
the
way you want to
outside.
pat the cat. Look at him.
He does.
He does.
All right. Come on.
Real
Now.
Do you feed him once a day?
Yeah. They said just one bowl full of that.
Oh.
Here, you want to pet the cat? I'll touch
Don't you watch that going?
Aww. Cool.
All right.
So I have it still on low. I just came back. So let's.
I see you.
Oh, did you make me coffee?
Look at her.
Did you make me coffee?
What we smoke coffee around here? What kind you want, Anthony?
No, I'm just playing.
That bacon look good now.
All I want is a couple pieces of bacon. I don't want nothing else.
Oh, really?
I want an acre. Waffles. Just the bacon.
Okay.
The baby's behind you. I see you cooking. Hey girl, you cooking that bacon?
Yeah.
That's all right.
Yep.
Is it getting crispy?
Yep.
That's how we like it.
Yes. Dude.
Oh, man.
No.
You see that bacon?
AJ.
Oh, no wonder you didn't like this, man. This is organic. You don't like organic stuff.
That what I had organic.
Yeah, you told me I like organic
Oh,
stuff.
really? What I take?
It's healthy. No, you don't need another cup of coffee. You tripping. You can take it once I drink it down. I ain't hardly drinking it. It's green.
Sure.
It's over there. Go look over there. Behind the creamer. Over there. Over there, Mom. Over there.
The green.
Hey, back. I'm putting my tea right here. Let's see, look. That's cool, man.
Oh, this one you use.
So now I'm going to add the bacon grease onto the other skillet so that we can have some eggs because we forgot the butter. Waffles. You gonna eat it? Oh, there it goes. Look at that. Eat it. So next, I'm gonna make the eggs with the bacon grease. So stay tuned. Let me see.
I'm talking about that's black pepper. That's what you was asking.
Salt.
And then there's
is that
black
all?
peppercorn.
You think I should have black pepper in the eggs? That's what they got. Just black pepper.
Yeah.
Anything else? Okay, you can give me the black pepper.
And then, I mean, there's stuff over here too. I mean, it's just there's some regular peppers, black pepper right here. I see. There's some seasonings right here.
Oh, okay.
What is this? This is garlic sauce. What's back there? Onion powder. Cayenne pepper.
Okay, I use black pepper. Get a plate so you can get your waffles. cook, what you crying? Right there, on me. Huh? Oh. See? Oh, that's a lot of work with all these kids and trying to cook. Crazy. So, no way. I gotta cook the eggs so you can eat them. Do you understand? You gotta cook the eggs so you can eat them, okay? AJ playing in the sink. Just move it around.
Stop it, AJ. You don't need to water.
Oh, I need a plate for the eggs too.
And you know what, that bacon might be soggy enough anyway.
That's true. Mom, can you give me a plate for the eggs when they come out? And put a napkin on it, because, you know.
You want me to get the plastic plate?
No,
A real plate?
a real plate over there, probably.
Oh,
Over there. Oh, look at him eating that waffle over there.
this plate?
Yeah, that's fine. Can you put put it right there and then a napkin over there for it? This is a better skillet than that other skillet. You know?
It doesn't stick.
Mm-hmm.
Right. That's nice.
Yeah, that other one does.
That one sticks. Where you gonna put this?
Right there? Oh,
Right here.
can you put two napkins on there? Another one. He's so cute. What he getting into? No. No. So the eggs are done. The bacon is done. Okay, so I finished. Here is the eggs, the waffles, the bacon, and I set the table. We got orange juice and milk, and we're gonna eat. So, thanks for cooking with the Moodies. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And then, you know, you'll be notified if you hit the bell when we have our next videos. Welcome to the family. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.